Hello everyone, myself Dr. Vama Ishwar Solanki. I am here today to share some details about sensitivity of the teeth. As we all know, the winter season is going on and the most common dental problem is sensitivity of the teeth. So here today I am sharing how the sensitivity happens and what are the factors which leads to sensitivity of the teeth and how we can prevent the sensitivity of your teeth. So the sensitivity of the teeth happens due to the enamel worn off and the dentin layer get exposed. And the second major cause is when the tooth roots that become exposed. So the factors are, the first one is the dental cavities. The second one is the chipped off tooth or cracked tooth. Your own dental fillings which got worn out or the broken worn out fillings, gum problems, hard brushing, diet with highly acidic foods and beverages. Then you have undergone the recent dental procedures like dental cleaning and dental fillings. So this kind of sensitivity is usually temporary sensitivity and goes away within 3 to 4 weeks. Then the age factor, the old age people are more likely to have gum problems and that leads to sensitivity of the tooth. Then there is a lack of oral hygiene maintenance. The plaque buildup surrounds your tooth that also leads to the sensitivity of your teeth. Then teeth grinding and using teeth whiteners. Then due to some deficiency of vitamins like calcium, vitamin D3 and B12. So as we all know, the calcium is the crucial factor for your tooth health. So if there is a lack of calcium, your tooth become weaker and that leads to sensitivity of your tooth. So now we have to identify the root cause of your sensitivity of your teeth and then we can provide the proper line of treatment to treat the sensitivity of your teeth. So first we use is desensitizing toothpaste or mouthwash, especially which contains fluoride. Second is the fluoride treatments. The third, dental fillings, depending upon how the cavity is deep. If the cavity is very deep and the tooth has become very sensitive, even while having a tap water, there is a sensitivity. So the line of treatment for that condition is the root canal treatment. Avoid doing hard brushing. Brush only for 2 minutes with the gentle hand stroke movements in a correct way with the soft bristle brushes. Avoid teeth grinding and use the mouth guard at night. Avoid highly acidic foods and beverages, cold drinks, and have a regular proper dental routine checkup. And last and not the least is see your dentist regularly. So I hope this information is useful to you all and I would love to answer if you have any queries or questions regarding sensitivity of the teeth. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a happy and healthy smile.